Hey Chiron, what are you doing out here? You are hardly wearing any clothing.
Same for you, Caneron. What is with the leaves?
I just got back from my bachelor party and things got a little wild, and I felt I needed a shower, but the decoded messages got a little weird from the reporters.
I was planning the wedding, and I was wondering where you were, so I decided to take a stroll out on the town. But that still does not answer my question.
I had a few too many beers. I blame alcohol. Just say no.
We should get out of here before the cops come and arrest us. I do not think we can get away with being cyborgs on this one. I think we should leave right now.
I agree, jail is not good for me. I want to get married to you and not have any court dates or anything like that to worry about.
Yeah, I think we should get back to the cybernetic mansion and maybe throw a party of our own.